The station of Bridgnorth is situated in the town of Bridgnorth, located next to the River Severn. This station has an engine shed. Hampton Road is the next station down the line from Bridgnorth. It is a small country station with 2 platforms allowing trains to pass. Based here is the Model Railway Enthusiasts Club that work off of donations. Highley is a single platform station and is home to the Railway Museum. Inside the museum are several engines and interactive displays for young children. There is also a cafe serving food. Arley is the next station and is also a passing station. The TV sitcom Oh Dr. Beeching was filmed using Arley Station. Bewdley is the next station down the line towards Kidderminster. This station consists of 3 platforms, 2 are commonly used. It also has a coach restoration shed where old coaches are restored to their former glory. Kidderminster is by far the largest of the stations. It has a connection to the main line as well as carriage sheds for when they are stored overnight and an engine workhouse. The connection to the main line means that trains can be run from Bewdley straight through to Birmingham New Street without stopping. It also allows new engines to be brought to the railway.